right, boys and girls, we're going to do another number talk today. And what we're working on today is making landmark and friendly numbers. Landmark and friendly numbers are numbers that are easy to add to. 10 is a friendly number. Okay, so when we're doing this today, I want you to look at all the numbers and try to add to 10 or make 10. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 10 plus 5 in our head, and we're going to think, how would we get the answer or the sum of 10 plus 5? Now, most of us can do this one in our head. So mentally, I just know that that answer is 15. I could also use the draw a picture strategy. So if I had 10 and I added 5, I can count by fives because each column is 5. So 5, 10, 15. I get 15 again. Another thing I could do is a number line starting at 10 and hopping 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. And on the next one, we have 3 numbers. Okay, so we've got 8 plus 2 plus 3. So take a second, think about what we did in the first one, and think about how you could answer the second one. And I'm thinking, how can I make a 10 here to make that landmark friendly number? All right, so I see here that this is a 10. Okay. All right, 8 plus 2 is 10. And then I'm just going to bring this 3 down. All right, 10 plus 3. We should be able to count up 10, 11, 12, 13. When I was in elementary school, I learned something called touch math. And you can touch each part of the most numbers to help you add. So that's what I was doing there, 10, and then I touched 3 times, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. Okay, let's try another one again, still related to what we're doing. We're going to do 8 plus 5. Okay, again, our strategy today is making landmark and friendly numbers. So how can I make a landmark or friendly number on 8 plus 5? What I'm going to do is make a number bond with my 5 to make this 8 count up to a 10. So what does 8 need to get to 10? Well, 8, 9, 10, it needs 2. All right, so what would the number bond be with 5 and 2? That's right, 3. 5 and 2, or 2 and 3 make 5. Okay, so I'm going to take these 2 and add them together to get 10, which is my friendly number. And then I'm going to drop this 3 down. And look, it's the same thing I already did. 10 plus 3 is 13. So what I did here is I took the 5 apart to make a friendly number of 10 and then added the rest as a 3. Now again, these are strategies that you should be eventually able to do in your head. So I know probably some of you are thinking, well, why would I write all that if I could just count up 5 on my fingers? And the reason is because eventually the numbers are going to be too big for you to count on your fingers. So we're learning strategies with smaller numbers that we can eventually use with big numbers. All right, we're going to do 2 more. The next one we're going to do is 8 plus 7. And remember, what I want you to do today is I want you to make a friendly number. So how could we break 7 apart into 2 numbers to make 8 more friendly? Well, over here I saw that 8 needed 2, so let's try that again. All right, 7 is made up of 2 and 5. All right, so here's my way to make a friendly number. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then I drop that 5 down. The 10 comes from here. Plus 5 is 15. All right, our last one's going to be the hardest one, or the largest one, maybe not the hardest one. I'm going to do 8 plus 12. All right, so again, look and see, how can I make these more friendly, easier to add? Well, from the past 2 or 3 problems, I have learned that 8 needs 2 to get to 10. If I take 2 away from 12, I'm left with 10. So I've got 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then I've got 10 plus 10. We should be able to count by tens. 10, 20. And the answer is 20. It's important for you to circle your answer, and I did not do that, but I should have. Okay, it's important for you to circle your answer on your questions. All right, so today we talked about making landmark or friendly numbers to help us add using mental math.